Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to copy and share Threads profile link. Okay, first things first, open up your Threads app. Press your profile button on the bottom right corner. Once you are in your profile, there is a button here that says Share Profile. Now, a new menu shall appear. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the copy option and manually send it to your friends. But you can also just directly send it with the application icons listed down below. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now copy and share Threads profile link. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.